Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Inno Aero Light hanging style bike rack. Now, this bike rack is very easy to use and it's a reliable way to secure your bikes on your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at some of its features. The first feature of this rack is the built-in adapter for the 1¼ to 2" receiver. We're going to install this on an 1¼ so let's go ahead and remove the adapter. Remove 2 hex head screws using the provided Allen key. Now mount the bike rack to the vehicle using the provided hardware. First place a lock washer and then a flat washer onto the receiver pin. Now tighten the receiver pin using the provided tools. You can now insert the locking cylinder onto the receiver pin and lock the rack securely to the vehicle. Remember to close the cover to keep the keyhole free from debris. This rack features a tilt-away feature without the bikes on it. Go ahead and step on your foot pedal here and you can lower the rack away from the vehicle so we can access our cargo area. We're now ready to load some bikes onto the rack. To raise the arms, you need to pull down on this handle till they lock into place. Your first bike must be loaded with the seat to the passenger side to align the seat tube with the anti-sway cradle. You can now insert the straps. Be sure the teeth are facing up and out. Another great feature for this bike rack is adjustable cradles to allow for different widths of bicycle. Simply spin them while pulling them in the direction you want them to move. When loading additional bikes, alternate the seat to follow the anti-sway cradles. Our last feature is an included bike lock. Pull the locking cable from out of the rack and insert into its locking cylinder on the right side of the bike rack. You can now slide up on this cover and use the key to unlock the bikes at your destination. This rack holds 4 bikes, weighs 42 pounds. It fits both 1¼ and 2" receivers. This bike rack has a weight capacity of 33 pounds per bike, totaling 132 pounds for the rack. That concludes our review of the Inno Aero Light hanging style bike rack. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you on the trails. If you have any questions about this bike rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.